blogger Roundup. It's myOrganized.life, November 16th, 2018. And it is the countdown to the big turkey day.
Yes.
Ooh.
6 days.
Yes. Oh.
6 days.
And if you don't know what we're talking about.
We're talking about Thanksgiving.
We're talking about
Is that
Thanksgiving.
one you wanted me to fill in?
Well,
Okay.
yesterday we were kind of talking turkey. I thought that was kind of fun.
Turkey talk.
Turkey talk. Anyway, this is myOrganized.life. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and on Friday we do Leanne's favorite show,
And yours?
Blogger Roundup. Or
Right.
like we did last time for the hearing impaired,
Yes.
but we never figured that
No,
out.
we didn't.
So I'm assuming we have some
Thanksgiving blogs
some
to talk
Thanksgiving
about.
blogs to talk
Yes,
about.
but we'll get to those
have
second.
Okay.
First, we're going to start off with Laura Whitman
Let's
from
put up the slide.
Slideorg Junkie.
Yep.
3 tips for organizing pictures and preserving your family memories.
Yeah.
So I guess this could kind of go along with Thanksgiving because, start of the holidays, you take a ton of pictures, more than you'll ever look at again.
I wonder how many people have that photo.
The same one.
Okay, here's what it is.
You've said this before, too.
I know. You have that long table with 20 people there, and then the person who's sitting at the end obviously gets up and takes the picture. It's just a bunch of people staring at the camera and a bunch of food.
Right.
If you have a picture like that anywhere in your library, put it in the comments.
Is that what you guys do? Do you have all the food out on the table?
It varies.
'Cause our
depending on how
family is
many people.
different.
Because sometimes you have too many people, there's not enough room.
Right.
So
In our
also
families,
have
we always have tables
Yeah.
set up, and then the food is all on the counter.
Yeah, we have like an island, and you kind of go through with your plate.
Yep.
Number 1
Okay,
time, number
dinner's
2
ready.
time, number 3 time.
And you're patiently waiting at the turkey.
Oh,
for
we
them to
have
carve
more
it.
of that turkey. We can refill it. Who
Oh,
wants?
gosh,
Then
I know.
after everyone's had 3 or 4 times through the line,
Yep.
then we start passing it around the table.
Oh.
Because boy, you don't.
And then by the end, you're
eat.
just
I know.
sleepy.
Then we take the nap.
I always like to stand
We
by
take
the turkey when it's getting carved.
We take the family nap on the couch, like 6
Do
of us,
you?
bang. Yeah,
Wow.
all just kind of on each other. It's kind of fun.
Nice tradition.
No, that
Right.
has nothing to do with
Nothing to do with
junkie, other than
organizing
we take
pictures. You're right. Okay.
Okay.
So
sorry about that.
basically, she's talking about preserving your
Okay.
pictures and memories, and
Yes.
there's 3 tips on how to do it.
3
so number
tips. Number 1.
be selective.
Ah, yes.
So we all have a phone, and we all take the same picture.
Yeah, and we take 2 or 3 extras because
2 or
just
3.
in case it didn't.
2
well,
or
it
3.
might
It's
not
more
have
like
been focused.
10.
Yeah.
It's like cheese.
Yeah.
Anyway, so be mindful of what you're saving. Maybe after you take the pictures, go through right away and delete the ones that are blurry.
Right.
Because, in a week or in a month or in some cases, a year, when you are full, your memory card's full, you have to go and do something with all of those. So it's easier to kind of be selective right then.
Yeah. In the
what you're
olden
keeping.
days when we used film, do you know what film is?
Yeah, that was the best.
That's
because
where you had to roll it in, and then if you didn't roll it right, you sit and took a bunch of pictures, and there was like the film was still it hadn't been rolled in. But there you had to be careful about how many you
I
took.
know. I think that
It
was
cost
even
a lot of money.
better.
I
That was
know.
better.
My daughter is also a professional photographer, so
I know.
she's like, you see, like
Here's
editing
your
on the go, like it's like,
3,000 wedding
how
pictures.
could, but
Yeah.
she takes 10,000 and gets it down to 3.
Yeah, right. And that's all you need.
Yes,
You only need
okay.
3.
Be selective.
Okay, be
Number
selective.
2.
Be systematic.
Oh,
So
okay.
decide on how you want to preserve them. So do you want to burn them all to a CD? Do you want to keep them up in the cloud? Some people use like different apps like chat books. Will take your Instagram feed every month and send you a little book.
Yep. Didn't we have a podcast with Deb Cabral on that very subject?
Was it on the app
on
thing?
organizing?
Probably.
Oh, yeah, she talked
organizing
about-
photos. Yes,
yeah,
definitely.
organizing photos. So check
Yep.
that out, smeed.com/podcast. Look for Deb Cabral.
So anyway, decide on how you want to have these backed up.
Okay.
I keep all of mine on an external hard drive.
Yeah.
And I print some, but I should print more.
Yeah. You know what?
'Cause-
Ever since I lost my first external hard drive, what we
lost
do
it?
now is I back up to the cloud.
Oh, that's a good
I
idea.
figure if
And you pay a monthly service
I
for that?
do
Yeah, I know.
$10 a month, but if Google crashes, then
Then what?
the world's over anyway.
Right. Speaking of things, I moved cubicles,
Yes.
and the other day, my flash drive appeared on my computer, sitting at my desk, and I thought, where did this come from? And I thought that I had had that in my purse forever.
Yeah.
And Nate came over and he said, "Did you get the flash drive I sent, or set on your desk?" He said, yeah. He said it must have been behind the cabinet because after they moved the cabinet out, he saw it.
Fell down.
And put it in the computer. And here's all these pictures of my girls when they were, you know.
Oh, and you hadn't had that.
No, I didn't realize it was missing.
Wow.
I mean, that's how, you know, spaced out I am about pictures.
That's how systematic you are,
yeah,
right?
I know. I need to be better about that.
Well, good. All right.
Okay.
Number 3.
Be scheduled.
Okay.
Make it a habit to schedule regular blocks of time to organize the pictures that you have.
Okay.
You know, maybe go on Shutterfly and arrange them. If you have
Yeah.
a photo box, just set time aside. Otherwise,
Yeah. Now, my wife does 2 scrapbooking weekends a year. So her schedule is about like 24 hours before she has to go, I need to get the pictures because we're going
it's
in
like
24 hours.
Print.
Yeah, so then that's when we upload them all to Google. And then, you know, she picks out the ones, she sends them to the 1-hour photo
Yep.
and gets them just in the nick of time.
Yeah.
But it is a schedule. So it does have, we have the pictures, I think, on that drive. Now that I think about it, I think we've had digital pictures since 2006. It's a long time.
Yeah,
that's a lot of pictures.
That is a lot.
You wonder, though, when are you ever going to use them? You know, once in a while, an occasional social media post, you know, when my daughter was 20, I, you know, took one from when she was 10 and put it on there. But, you know,
I know. Well, you got to have them.
That's true. Okay, I guess let's put the slide up one more time. That is orgjunkie.com. 3 tips for organizing pictures and preserving your family memories. All right, next slide up. Unclutterer.com. This is going to be an easy one. Unclutter your refrigerator before Thanksgiving.
Oh, Thanksgiving tips. Okay.
Yeah, the title of the blog is the tip. Unclutter your refrigerator.
Okay, so what does that mean?
Well, okay, now people can relate with this, I'm sure.
Like get rid of that dressing that's expired and it only has this much left?
When we have those huge meals and we got a bunch of people over, all of a sudden you got this huge turkey in there.
Yeah.
And then you've got
the person comes with the potatoes and they need a spot in the fridge.
Yeah, so all of a sudden, you know, you are like, where are we putting this stuff?
And well, here in our state, it's like some people are just, leave it outside.
Yeah,
because it's
true.
fine.
But then the
you know?
animals get it.
Well, not really.
Anyway, so the tip here, and really what it is that take a couple days. In fact, today would be a good day, or maybe this weekend, and clear out that refrigerator. Get rid of the old stuff. Make sure you have the room for when that big cooking starts next week.
That's a good idea. That's not something you think about usually.
Well, you think about it about 5 minutes before you need the space.
Right.
Oh, we need to put this in here. Where is the stuff going? So, all right.
Exactly.
I'll put the slide up again. This is unclutterer.com. Unclutter your refrigerator before Thanksgiving, and I think you should at least go read the blog so you can be reminded to do this, and then just go do it. All right. Final slide up.
The Shauna method: hosting a happy Thanksgiving.
Well,
so people really, really need to go and look at this list because I know we stress that every single week, but this time do it for real because look at,
oh my goodness,
she has covered every single thing you need to remember.
256 ideas.
Let's see, there's
a lot.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-ish headings, and then a ton of lists underneath.
Okay, now we're not going to go through all
No, we're not going to go through all of them. So basically, I'll just give you some highlights. So before Thanksgiving week, make your hospitality decisions.
Yes.
So if you're hosting, where are people going to sleep? Do you have enough towels, etc.? Are the guests bringing babies or kids? Do you have appropriate bedding and stuff for them? Let's see. Decide on your menu. What will you make? What will others bring? Do you need any special condiments that you don't normally have on hand? Let's see. Plan the physical layout. So where are your guests going to put their coats? Where are they going to sit? Are you serving from a buffet or the table?
Right.
Design your table. So are you going to use a tablecloth? How about a table runner?
Because then you have to iron those things too. You know, that's like another 20-minute job.
20 minutes, probably more than that.
Ironing the tablecloth, and you know, again, you think about that
just so
like
it can get
the
messy.
day before, or that's if you're lucky.
Right. Yeah. And let's see, which silverware will you use? Do you have to prep in advance that stuff? Prepare everything you can in advance. Okay. Polish the silver, like I just mentioned. Decide what you'll wear. Are your clothes clean?
Yep.
You need to make sure your clothes are clean.
Yes. You know what we do? We do set the whole table up though the night before.
That's good. Yep, that is good.
Because that takes a lot of time.
Oh yeah.
Especially if you want to have all the linens and the this and that and
Everything has to be perfect.
Good.
And let's see, early Thanksgiving week, you can run your laundry, complete your shopping.
Yes.
Thaw the turkey if it's frozen. Don't forget about that. I know you guys are having a smoked one, so it doesn't pertain to you.
Shout out to the Rack Shack.
But everyone else who's got the frozen turkey in their chest freezer or whatever right now, make sure you get it out.
Right.
Let's see, set up for your overnight guests. So then the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, begin the food prep that you can do.
Yeah.
Let's see, set the table.
Does she have anything about like making like the schedule of how the cooking has to work so everything comes out the same?
Timing?
That's my wife.
Let's
Well,
see,
she'll spend like 20 minutes just coming up with a schedule. Okay, well the potatoes need to come out at 12:45.
And they have to be on 350, but the turkey.
And they have to cool for 15 minutes and something else. Yeah, and you know we don't have 5 stoves.
Right. Who does? Nobody.
I know some people that have 2 stoves, which is nice.
Like a double oven or 2 full ovens?
2 full ovens.
Yeah, that's kind of what my family
really
members
nice.
have. Yeah. And then let's see, Thanksgiving Day, take the turkey out, uncork the wine, assemble the salad, eat and relax.
Yes.
And take the photo.
Oh yeah,
It just says that.
Photo.
Take
yes.
the photo.
And then refer back to the earlier one on
how to preserve it.
Preserve the photo, right?
Yes.
And then of course, in part of this, our other article on cleaning the refrigerator beforehand. Boy,
then you'll have room for leftovers too.
Yes, if you can't have a great Thanksgiving now with all these blogs, I don't know. You have no excuses, right?
But definitely go to the Shauna Method and look at this list because...
All right, put the slide one more time. ShaunaMethod.com.
Shout out to Shauna.
Hosting
she must have spent like an hour at least writing this blog post.
Well, she's a professional organizer. That's what these guys
I'm sure
do.
her table is set to the T.
Oh, yeah.
She doesn't miss anything.
No.
She's probably got little salt and pepper shakers at each
little
section.
like little miniature turkeys.
Or they're really fancy and they're little crystal ones.
Yes. Shauna, you'll have to let us know, what are your salt and pepper shakers? Are they little crystal ones, or are they the little, turkey and hen or whatever, right?
Or the pilgrims or something.
Yeah, the pilgrims, I'm sure. Okay.
Yes.
Wow, what an action-packed. You did a good job on these this week.
Thank you. Well, it's easy when people have content out there.
It is.
Pull, and we talk about them.
Well, great. Well, we, this show is so good, it's good for 2 because next Friday we won't be on. So no blogger Roundup next week.
Right.
No Thanksgiving show next week, but we will be here Monday through Wednesday.
Are we doing a podcast Wednesday?
Yeah, that's to be
because a lot of people are going to be kind of checking out Wednesday, I think. I don't know. We might need to skip it and go next week.
Okay.
Or the week after.
All right. So
we'll keep them posted.
Yeah, we're going to just keep you guessing.
Yeah.
And
I'm sure they'll be on the edge of their seats.
I'm sure they will.
Although Wednesday's podcast got a lot of interaction with Julie Ulmer.
Yeah, it did.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
her kitchen one. That was I love that podcast.
I know people are watching too because thank you to, I think her name is Shannon, who sent us an email saying, did you realize that the audio is off on the myOrganized.life blog?
Right.
Because we post these everywhere.
What happened?
The audio was turned off. So we're re-uploading those.
On how many videos?
2.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, so anyway, that's
thank you,
that's
Shannon.
what happens when you put high volume of production out. We put this show out, it goes on Facebook, it goes on YouTube, it goes on the myOrganized.life blog.
Still working on getting it to play on Alexa.
Yes. Alexa, play myOrganized.life live. Well, we'll see. Maybe that's one of our New Year's resolutions.
It should be.
Okay, well, that's it.
Have a great weekend.
Have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday right here, 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific, myOrganized.life live. Stock up on your favorite organizing products now at myOrganized.life. This is the perfect time of year to equip your office with file folders, expanding files, project organizers, and more. And introducing our new bright white folder line that coordinates with any office decor. It's easy, shop online, and it's delivered right to your office. Stock up now on your favorites with everything you need at myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. myOrganized.life.